Hisense TV apps. Not loading. When Hisense TV apps fail to load, it can be frustrating and disrupt your viewing experience. This issue is usually caused by network problems, outdated software, or corrupted app data. Fixing it involves checking the internet connection, updating the system, and clearing the cache. Understanding the possible causes and solutions will help restore your TV's functionality. 1. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is a common reason apps won't load. Ensure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is working properly. Restart your router and try reconnecting your TV to the network. Running a speed test can also confirm if your connection is strong enough for streaming. 2. Restart the TV. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve app loading issues. Turn off your Hisense TV, unplug it from the power source, and wait for at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches that might be affecting the apps. 3. Update the TV software. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with apps. Check for software updates by going to Settings greater than System greater than Software Update. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. Keeping your system updated ensures optimal performance and compatibility with the latest app versions. 4. Clear cache and reinstall apps. Corrupted cache files can prevent apps from loading. Navigate to the Apps section in your TV settings and select the problematic app. Choose Clear Cache or Clear Data to remove unnecessary files. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh its functionality. 5. Reset the TV to factory settings. If none of the above solutions work, performing a factory reset may be necessary. Go to Settings, then Device Preferences, then Reset and choose Factory Reset. This will erase all custom settings and restore the TV to its original state. After the reset, set up the TV again and reinstall the necessary apps. When Hisense TV apps refuse to load, the issue is often related to internet connectivity, system glitches, or outdated software. Following these troubleshooting steps will usually resolve the problem. If the issue persists, contacting Hisense support may be the best option.